Day 6, Craig.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
From Cross Country Garage.
We're gonna attempt to go forward today instead of backwards, right?
So far we're repairing our broken actuator rod.
Yes, this was a pretty big problem considering it took us 3 hours to basically just waste time and see exactly how this is supposed to go. And yeah, we're not gonna get into that.
So I have the new actuator rod installed already.
Really? It went in smooth?
Went in smooth, and I believe...
What about the lock cylinder? It's going in next?
Next, I gotta put this
thing.
The
gear.
So the gear's in, and it's clocked to there's a bottom cog that goes apparently to the 7 o'clock position, which lines this up to approximately where the thing's supposed to be. So hopefully I have it clocked right. So now I gotta put this little brass fitting over the top.
And then the retaining
Then there's a
clip.
snap ring in there that I gotta put back in, and then we're gonna put the lock cylinder in and see if she works.
Yeah, hopefully she has like some spring back.
We need a little something.
Yeah.
Hopefully she has enough lube.
Hopefully,
please pray.
Hopefully Mustangry is kind today, because it has not been kind so far.
No, and then we're gonna have to fight to get that steering column back in.
That's not gonna be a big deal. That should be.
But on the bright side, at least we'll have the steering wheel fixed.
Yeah,
because it was 180 degrees out.
It was 180 out, so it will be clocked correctly.
To an extent.
Any luck?
So yeah, we're just gonna keep on going on this.
Yeah, hopefully we'll actually have a running car at some point. That would be cool.
That's asking quite a bit.
Yeah, it's a goal for today, though. If not, tomorrow is a new day. And I wouldn't recommend this workbench to anybody, but it's what I got right now.
Good times.
All right. So we got our ignition lock cylinder, ignition switch, and column all back together now.
And functioning.
And it actually works as it should. Flick, click, go, return, little accessory, and then regular, key comes out, key goes in. Beautiful. Now what's funny is we got these security things, tamper-proof Torx, which is supposed to be a T27, which we got this in a true cross-country garage fashion. We bought these tools just to say, all right, we need them.
Yeah, specifically for this.
And none of them fit. So
yeah,
it's how it goes for cross-country garage today, and yesterday, and the day before.
Yeah, so the brand new tool set, and it sucks.
Yeah, but we're improving.
Yeah, whatever. Now we gotta get this back in the car.
Yeah, now we're gonna put the column back in.
Hopefully.
And then hopefully try and start this thing. Pump turns on first.
Come on.
No fuel pump. No
Computer.
But the key is working as it's supposed to.
Okay, so we tried the other computer and nothing. Those couple cranks on the one computer were enough to kill it. Whoa. What'd you do? Different.
Push the clutch in a little further, I guess.
Oh, okay.
I think the clutch switch is really sensitive. Like it has to be fucking matted.
Okay. Well, with
you just gotta figure out me
gas in to see if it pops for fun.
If you want, I just want to see something with this. Country Garage Day 6. We're back on the Transient for right now because we're still waiting for a computer on the old new named Mustangry Cannonball Run vehicle number 1. So Scott is currently working on a cooling system that does not want to cooperate with us. What's going on, Scott?
I'm thinking the water pump might be in my future, but we'll find that out shortly.
Yeah, so now currently we're taking top radiator clamp off the hose so we can see if there's actually any flow going through this thing, because it wants to pretty much back up and overflow for whatever reason and not cool the motor. So we'll get back to you soon, but that's what we're dealing with.
But hey, we're definitely keeping busy.
Progress has been slow.
Yeah, theoretically right now we're supposed to be at the Grand Canyon or something.
Yeah, we're supposed to be driving.
So,
Cannonball fail is what it is.
It's a cannonball walk.
All right, stay tuned. See you soon. All right, so here we are, still day 6, November 1st, 2022. And as you can see, Scott is under the car once again. Not because he likes it under there, but
I love it under here.
But
great.
Apparently, we have a new update. After thorough inspection and trying to burp the cooling system, we have discovered that the water pump isn't pumping very much water, or if any at all, actually. So it's pretty much a no-go situation here.
Man, why do I always grab the bad fucking ratchet?
And Scott grabbed the bad ratchet.
This is the ratchet you don't want.
That's
The one that you can't switch. I don't know why I've been throwing this away.
Yeah, that needs to get swapped in for another one. So this is your water pump. Right, specifically, I took the hose, liberty of taking off the upper return hose. This little hose here that goes to the bottom of the radiator. I'm not sure what that one is actually called. And your main supply hose. Scott will probably take care of whatever else needs to be done underneath. Apparently, warning is there's a item underneath the water pump called an OptiSpark that is not supposed to get wet.
I don't know how it stays dry under the car when it's raining, but
Yeah, me neither.
I don't know. But we're just gonna saran wrap that and hope for the best.
It's very tight in there.
Okay, belt's off. That was easy. I don't know if we need to take the belt off or not, but
Yeah, it can't hurt.
yeah.
It's easy enough to put back on.
All right, now I really kind of screw myself here with this.
Currently draining the cooling system as well, which I'm going to pop that cap off. What you got going on down there?
I got the wrench stuck. That's a good time.
All right.
There we are. We're off. All right, just to recap. Step 1, drain the radiator. Step 2, get that out of your way. Step 3, take off the hoses. You're gonna have 2 hoses here. You're gonna have a hose right here. You're gonna have a couple hoses underneath. And cover your OptiSpark. I just use plastic. I'm getting a little piece of cardboard. I just don't want anything to get on it because a few people said that's bad. So we're gonna get all the stuff disconnected. Oh, you're gonna have your little temperature sensor plug down there. You gotta pull off, real easy. And we're doing this with the fans in place, which is tight. And if we gotta pull them, we'll pull them. All right, so solely for our records, we have a total of 4 hoses on the top. We have your input, your output, whatever that hose is down there, and you got this little hidden one back here. And then you have 1 hose kind of down on the bottom that you really can't see. So we're gonna get this little one here, which sucks. So 5 hoses total. All right, it's getting late in the day, and the 2 cars that we're supposed to be working on are not running. And the 1 car that Kevin's working on, she's ready to fire.
Well,
So
let's see.
that's promising.
That's late ignition.
This bracket looks a little loose. I don't know. I mean, I know it's tight, but might just be the timing throwing it off, making it worse than it really is. So let's see.
That's a little bit. Let's see.
Well, is that an exhaust leak?
I don't know, but it's like something's like very.
Itself out.